So I'm going to show you how to get rid of the stubborn body fat and the belly particularly. Now, is it really all about salads and cardio and gym classes? Well, that's exactly what Shane was doing for a few years, and I know because I was doing the classes. And yeah, he wasn't really getting anywhere and he wasn't too pleased about it. He even worked with a few PTs and they just got him to go on the machines, count his reps and then say see you later. So again, wasn't too pleased. So he decided to ask me for some specific one-to-one help, and which we did. So we got to work with his diet and made sure it was custom and one-to-one and a little bit more flexible so it was sustainable, and allowed him to have some chicken nuggets. Then we made sure that his workout plan was specific to him and actually worked towards the goals of body fat loss and muscle gain. Then we tracked everything and adjusted it every single week and kept the accountability high by reviewing everything and communicating once a week. And then fast forward, ba-bam, belly is gone, happy boy, can take his shirt off on holiday, no more banter with the boys about his belly, and he's able to be a lot more flexible with his food long term because of the way we built his physique. If you want to know more, just send me a message.